Okay, I've completed my beginning chain and I'm going to work a half double crochet all the way across, starting in the second chain from the hook. So we're just going to work that all the way across. And I'll meet up with you at the end because I'm sure that you know how to do this part. Okay, we're at the end of the row now and I've checked that I have the correct amount of stitches. So we're just going to chain one and turn. Then the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to work a half double crochet into the back loop only. This is your back loop, this is your front loop. So we're going to work all the way in there. Right down to the end of the row. And at the end of every single row, make sure that you're counting your stitches so that you're going to end up with a nice even cuff. Otherwise, you're going to have, or at least you could have, an uneven edge if you gain or drop stitches along the way. So this is all you're going to do all the way across. And then at the end, we're just going to chain one and turn and work the exact same way that we have all the way to row 34. Okay. If you're having a hard time figuring out if it's a stitch or not, I recommend using a stitch marker in the first and last of each row, and then you know for sure. So we're just going to count our stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Perfect. So we're going to chain one and turn and half double crochet in that back loop. So continue working the rows until you hit the end of row 34, at which point I will meet up with you again to help you with round 1. Okay, we're on our last row now of the half double crochet and we're going to be moving on to make the tube. So we're just going to do that here. You can fast forward through me doing this row if you like. Sorry, that was my phone ringing. Okay, so we just finished making the rib band. We've done our last row, and we're going to now fold these together so that the short sides are together, and we're going to be working slip stitches through each half double crochet through the double layer. So we're just going to place those together, and so that you make sure that they line up evenly, you can see that I'm going through both hoops, or both loops I should say. And I'm going to line them up all the way along here. Oops, sorry there. Okay, just like this. And you're going to do that all the way across, okay?